There's a part in the Bible wherein I really did not quite understand, especially the conversation of Jesus and this woman, Canaanite. So it's like a tongue twister for me. So this is in Matthew 15, verse 21. So the context is that this woman, she's a non Jew because she's a Canaanite. She's a woman from Canaan. She begs Jesus to heal her demon possessed daughter. And there's a conversation here. I'll show you the conversation. Then the disciples, you can read Matthew 15, verse 21 to 28. Then the disciples actually said, send her away. And then Jesus, he replied, I was only sent to the lost sheep of Israel. Now, this statement is actually in other parts of the Bible, wherein his primary focus was to address the Israelites, right? He says, lost sheep of Israel. And then the woman came and knelt before him. Lord, help me. Lord, help me. So come to think of it, she's a Canaanite woman. She's not a Jew. And normally they have this division between Israelites and Jew. So the division is that because they were pagans, right? And but in this in these verses, right, she even acknowledged that Jesus is the son of David, right? He's the Lord and Son of David. And then Jesus added, it is not right to take the children's bread and toss it to the dogs. So I did not understand this. And the lady actually said, even the dogs eat the crumbs that fall on the master's table. And then Jesus says, woman, you have great faith. Your request is granted. And her daughter was healed at that moment. So these things I did not understand. Okay. Now as I like try to read over and over, then I ask for an analogy. So here's the analogy. Imagine you're at a dinner party and the host has prepared a special meal for their family. A neighbor who isn't part of the family knocks on the door and asks for food because they were hungry. Then the host might initially say, I'm sorry, this food is only for my family. But if your neighbor is persistent and polite, the host might offer them some leftover crumbs from the table. Not quite good, a good analogy, right? But you see, Jesus is intended for the Israelites, and she is not an Israelite. She's a Canaanite. It's a tongue twister again. But she persisted, right? And she said, "No, it's not fair to give my time, my blessing to the dogs," right? Referring to the the pagans. And then in this, the lady said, "Oh, even dogs can eat the crumbs from the master's table," which means just like something that you can give her, and she would be like happy, right? So this is the analogy, and I've been reflecting on it, and yeah, she has a great faith, and even though there's actually a division, she actually like tried to conquer that division because she believes that even though she's a Canaanite, right, she acknowledged that Jesus is a son of David. So it's very interesting, and as I ponder about it, it's a very wonderful thing. And I just like ignore it because I really did not understand the conversation. At first, they were talking about the daughter, then talking about the lost sheep of Israel, then talking about the dogs. And then she responded that even the dogs can eat the master's table. So, master being Jesus and dog, even her, right? So, even her, she's a dog, she can eat the crumbs from the master's table. So it's really amazing. And yeah, I now understand, and I will ponder over this more. And yeah, so I think one of the lessons there is persistence, faith, right? And there's no actually like boundary in faith, right? And according to this, Jesus is actually like trying to open his ministry to non-Jews, to Gentile.